All right, we're working on the 1977 Ford F-250 Custom. And today I got the taillights put on, heat shrinked them, the wiring. And I didn't notice it until after I put this one on, but looks like that piece of angle iron's got a little bent. So I think I'm gonna leave it though. Like it is, the light does work and everything. It's correctly installed, but that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good though. Also today I put the mirrors back on. Looks pretty sharp. Had a little primer here. I primed around the inside of the doors before I did the shoot yesterday, and that's how that turned out. But I'll paint over that. That's not an issue. In fact, it looks like it's come down from right there all the way down. I didn't want orange showing through. And now that I'm looking at it, the entire cab was black at one time. I'll clean all this up. And I don't know how far we're gonna go with black paint, but I don't want you to be able to see it from the outside. Maybe we'll do the whole thing. And then I found this today. Goes right there. But the only way you can put it on is you gotta take this off. Probably get that done. And I'd really like to get a new one for the other side. But I was concentrating on finishing up the exterior first. So I started checking out all the lights, and unfortunately this one doesn't work. I'm gonna try a new bulb. I checked the bulb, it checked good, so I don't know for sure. I might have to get my test light on that. But this one's working. The other mirror's back on. So yeah. So I'm thinking the next thing I'm gonna do is diagnose this problem here. See what I could come up with. Not that late in the day yet, but I had planned on making a shoot after I got the mirrors on and this working. I actually could finish it quicker than I thought because I had to do some notching to make this big enough for it to fit on this one too. But I got real lucky here. I used the jigsaw to make it bigger. I got a nice one around here somewhere. Oh, here we go. Cordless jigsaw, super handy. And then there's the heat shrink gun. And I used the scraper and the wire wheel to clean the frame up because the ground comes in through the frame where they bolt in. But anyway, so I drilled a couple holes right here, and this piece fell right out for me. So I thought I was gonna have to come across with the jigsaw. I was concerned about that because the frame's in the way they let me do that, but I was gonna go as far as I could on each side. Really turning out good. Looks really sharp. But now you touch it and you gotta wipe off your fingerprints. They show up pretty easy, which that's fine too. So, yep. You know, a truck like this, you don't even have to jack it up or put bigger wheels on, and you're going anywhere. Hi, boy. So this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.